Hello, welcome. We are on episode number 28, which will be episode 5 on compound angles. We want to take a question to brainstorm on based on what we have done in the last 3 episodes. So if tan theta equals to minus 3 divided by 4, where the angle theta is between 90 and 180, we have to find this difference of this angle, 60 minus theta, which is this one. So let's make a sketch of this diagram. Remember, we have 12, right? This is 0 to 90 to 180 to 270, then 360. I'm doing this for those who are watching me for the first time. So this is where the angle is between 90 and 180. So we put it here. If I have a point here, the reference angle will be here. So this is the opposite side. So opposite is the first angle. So this will be 3. Then adjacent will be 4 in the case here. So we can find y. So to find y, it is going to be using Pythagoras theorem, which is y squared equals to the square of this plus the square of this. That means y equals to 16, that will be 9, right? And what? 16. That will give you 25 if you add. So that will give you what? 5. It means that the value of this is 5. Now in this quadrant, this is all is positive, sine is positive here, tan is positive here, and cos is positive here. So it is only sine that is positive here. So if I'm going to find the cos of that angle, which is also the adjacent side, which is 4, divided by the hypotenuse, will be negative 4 on 5, because it is not negative, it's not positive here, but negative. Then the sine of the same angle is so opposite side 3, hypotenuse 5. So 3 on what? 5. Based on this representation. But we are trying to use the difference angle for cos. So cos 60 minus theta can be expanded in this form as the cos of 60, the cos of theta, plus the sine of 60, the sine of theta. You can get this expansion, how it is derived or developed, from the episode 25. If you go there, you can get how this formula is or derived. Check it out in the playlist. So now we know 0, 30, 45, 60. So we are looking for cos 60, which will be half. So this means that 1 over 2 multiplying cos. This is negative 4 on 5 by substitution. Then plus, we need to find the sine 60 also. That will be root 3 on 2. Then cos, the sine of theta, which is what? 3 on what? 5. If you are wondering how I'm using my hand to get that, I have a video on that in the playlist, so you can check that out. So this negative, so this will multiply, but I can see these 2 can also cancel there. So I'll be left with 2 times 1. So negative 1, in the case of this, negative 2 divided by 5. Then what again? This is going to be plus 3 root 3 divided by what? 10. We can leave the answer this way, or we can still combine it. Can we? If we find the LCM, let's leave it. Okay. You know, if the LCM will be 10, this will go here, 5 times this minus 4, 1, 3 root what? 3. So this value or this could be our final representation for the cos 60 minus what? Theta. So you can see that we are just employing the sum and difference of what? 2 angles. That concept is what is being employed here. I guess it's clear. Like, share, comment, and what? Subscribe.